Hello everyone. I hope all of you are doing good and thanks for your support on Udemy and YouTube. I'm coming with one more business scenario. I hope this video will be helpful for you to understand the business requirement related to specific process. Okay. So the process wise, material to material transfer. Material to material transfer. Okay. So material to material transfer, what are the actual business requirement when someone, any business user, or you want to recommend this process to specific project or whenever you are working? So the process wise, we know it is under MIGO transaction, transfer, posting. Okay, if you're using Fiori app, you will find related to transfer posting on the moment type 309. But in what circumstances a business can use this one and when can you propose? This may generally happen for raw materials, certain raw materials, and spare parts, spare parts, spare parts. Okay, spare parts. Very rarely we may see finished goods. For example, there is any of these models. I will tell you one generic way. Okay, for example, any of these models, there is a materials GP, SCM 234. This is the material code. Now the new material was released with little changes of property GP, SCM, maybe 765. So the business has this stock of 10 pieces and already it is replaced. Okay, the vendor has replaced and you are going to replace. If you are making a manufacturing in your BOM also, you are replacing with this new material because you are procuring this material only, no more this material. A similar way for selling of the product, for the trading also, you are going to do everything from now onward. This is the material, but you have a 10 pieces. When you verify, compare the characteristics of the material, okay, the characteristics and maybe what are the all the properties, okay, what are the properties and the features, all those things are similar way. 234 is similar to 765. Then business can take a decision to labeling as 765 and any little modification if they want to do, they make it and they want to use as a 765 material. During this kind of condition, you can transfer the 309 by using MIGO transfer posting this material to this material. This transfer posting time, what will happen? Both should have a same base unit of measure. Same base unit of measure. Okay, must have base unit of measure. The price wise, if you have, for example, if it has $80 and this one has $100, then this $80 price will come. So the moving average price will be impacted. So those kind of accounting related implications also one can understand and how you can do that one. We'll try to see in SAP system. Okay, we try to post any material and how will it behave. So let me check the stock of my material MB 52, NS 12, NS12, and we have this kind of a stock with us. So I have all are same unit of measure, so it's good. And 91 and 176. Or else, yeah, 90 and 176. Let us check it. 90 and 176. Go to MIGO, transfer posting. Take moment type 309. $92. We want to transfer to 176. Plant, same plant you want to transfer. Location also, same location. How much quantity I want to transfer to? Check. All good. Before that, let me check MM60 to find the unit of measures of both the materials. Unit of measure and also the average price. You can see 90 and 176. 176. So come here and execute it. So 90 is having the price of 775.16 and 176 has the price of 80. Okay, huge difference is there. And we are going to see the impact also. So let us check here. 90 has some stock and 176 has 100 stock. 100 stock and average is 80. So the price could be around, amount should be around 80,000, 8,000. Okay, you can see here 8,000 is there. That 8,000 is going to be changed. That's what we are going to check it. So document is posted. Click on display, material document, and plant quantity. Go to doc info, FA documents. Like I mentioned that when you're transferring from material to material, system will generate accounting document. See what happened. Raw material of loss of account because the material huge price was there, right? That price and one debit, one credit, and debit. Because why 1550 has come? Because 775.16 is the 1 unit price. We are transferring two. So always the supplying plant related price will be taken. That's what you can understand. Now 1550. So this one is going to get a huge change. 8,000 is going to become 9,550. 176. 176. See the transfer. See, quantity has become 100 to 102. Amount has become 9,550.32. And this 80 is going to change to the huge. See, 80 has become 93.63. So when you transfer between material to material, the supplying material means the source material price will be carried to the receiving material. That is the first point you need to understand. And if you want to transfer between two materials, the base unit of measure should be same. Okay. Let us try to do the same process in Fiori. Now we will test the same thing on SAP Fiori. To launch SAP Fiori, we can go to SAP and this is the transaction /UI2/FLP. Once you click on that, system will take you to the details of Fiori Launchpad. So once you come to this Fiori Launchpad, based on the roles which are assigned, you can see the multiple roles here. So what I'm talking about the role, if you go to SU01D and input your user ID, go to the roles. Okay. These are the different roles you can find in SAP Fiori library also. For example, I have given the role as warehouse clerk. So warehouse clerk will contain most of these related transactions. So I'm going to find here warehouse processing. So in warehouse processing, we have options. I use this post goods moment, which will look like MIGO, and where you can do the different type of transfers. So I'm selecting transfer posting, other, moment type is 309. The similar look you can see, the from material and the destination 172. Plant is NS12, raw material, same location, we are to transfer. Quantity, one quantity. I just want to show you that how to do in Fiori. The screen looks similar, so you can use the same thing. And then you will have a post button at the bottom. Not maintained in. So 172, we can check it whether, yeah, our material is 176. 176. So 176. Okay, now it will be fine. So goods moment is posted. Display accounting document, everything looks similar like how MIGO was looking. Document info, and you can see the FA documents. Go to accounting document and find the credit and debit. The amounts are based on the source material. That point we need to understand. So you can explore different other options in material document overview, how you can explore these material documents overview in Fiori. So you can see the documented posting. It's kind of our MB51 report. So let's check this material and go in document 8 2025. How many material documents are posted for 60090? You can see these many material documents are posted. This is the posting date, that information, we can check it. Okay, unrestricted stock, all the information. If you want to see more details, you can click on that button so that it will take you to the detailed information. What is the material document here, and when was it posted, who posted this one, what are the items inside, what is the process flow, there is anything, have anything you attached, everything you can see. This is about how to use Fiori for this material to material transfer. I hope this overall business process you understand, and thanks for watching, and keep providing your valuable comments so that I can improve our videos. And if you're watching on Udemy, please provide your rating to encourage me. Thank you.